Troubleshooting your ADT doorbell. Is it the chime or wiring?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll tackle an interesting question. Is it possible that the issue with my ADT doorbell not ringing inside is related to a faulty doorbell chime or wiring? In short, yes, it's possible. But let's dive deeper into the topic to understand why this might be the case.
Can a faulty doorbell chime cause this problem?
Yes, a faulty doorbell chime can be the reason your ADT doorbell is not ringing inside. The chime is essentially the device that makes the sound when someone presses your doorbell. If the chime is malfunctioning, you won't hear the doorbell ringing inside. This can be due to several reasons. The chime could be broken, it might have lost its power supply, or it might simply be turned off.
Can faulty wiring cause this problem?
Faulty wiring is another common reason for doorbells not ringing inside. The wiring carries the electrical signal from the button at your door to the chime inside your house. If there is a break in the circuit, no electricity will flow and the doorbell won't ring. This can be due to a loose connection, a broken wire, or a problem with the power supply.
How can I troubleshoot these issues?
Firstly, check the chime's power supply. Ensure it is plugged in and turned on. If that's all in order, you can try replacing the chime to see if that fixes the issue. Next, inspect the wiring. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you see any issues, you might need to replace or repair the wiring. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's always a good idea to hire a professional. So, in summary, if your ADT doorbell isn't ringing inside, it could very well be a problem with the doorbell chime or the wiring. Always start with the simplest solutions, like checking the power supply, before moving on to more complex tasks like inspecting the wiring. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. We hope this video has helped shed some light on your doorbell dilemma.